That's DJ Lance Rock.
DJ Lance Rock. Yeah!
Let him start.
Let him open it.
That's good. That's a good big sister.
What is that? Can you see? Can he see what it is? Look at
What did you get? Baseball?
yeah.
Baseball.
Okay, let him finish taking all the paper off.
Somebody wrapped it well, didn't they?
Look at that. Baseball.
Baseball.
Yeah, those are the ones you got it. It's okay. Here. Okay, sorry. Okay, never these. These are the ones you got it. Here, Bobo, look. Here's another one. Sister got you those.
Wow.
Yes, sister did.
Where's the other one?
Let him open it, honey. Cindy, let him open it.
Indy, let him do some, okay? You know what it is.
What is that? Crazy Storm RC car. Stunt car.
You can't really see.
Look.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Let him see what that is.
Let's open it.
We will.
Okay, we gotta get some batteries.
We have plenty of batteries.
Yeah, I know we did. The lady said they have them in. She's smart that they do, because sometimes you know. What's that, Bobo?
Oh. It's over that one.
Just a minute, he's opening this one.
One at a time.
Oh, look at
What is that?
Good job, Indy. I think he likes what you got him, don't you?
You got him a truck?
You think he likes it? Why don't you take that out of the box there?
Let me get it out for you. Here, open this one. Does someone go get it?
Yeah.
Can you go get? Yeah.
Oh, is it not? Where is it?
Just a second, he's opening
Where is it?
It's not wrapped up, so.
I know. We'll just bring it out.
So
So
where is it?
It's in the closet.
Huh?
I didn't want him to do it earlier.
Yeah.
Look at that big boy opening his presents.
Whoa.
Here, and you open this box.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
What's in there?
Boy.
Now that's a ukulele.
Look at that. It's red, too.
Look at him go!
You're like Daddy. Yeah.
Yay!
Never do it to her.
Yay!
There's one more big present. Look at Pops. Look what Pops has got for you. Look at what Pops has got for you, Bubba. Look at that. Whoa. Yay. Happy birthday. If you let him try it first, it's for his birthday.
And hike his leg up.
Oh.
There you go.
Look at that big boy.
Okay, there you
Go.
go.
Come on, push, 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 push. Push your feet. Yeah, push your feet. Push your feet. That's it. Push your feet. There you go. Push your feet.
Yeah, you'll figure it out.
Go
figure
right
it out.
in front of him.
Indy had a hard time at first, too.
It's okay. Get off now.
That's quiet.
Oh, yeah, look. Neat, huh?
Not too loud.
Okay, look. Oh.
Yeah, you like his bike?
Look at that. That's fast.
That is noise. Wow.
Let's use the adjustable as they grow.
Mm-hmm.
Taller. nice rubber wheels on it. Is it nice, Cindy?
Happy birthday, Dillinger.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.